Hi guys, welcome back to Seco Hub. In today's video, we'll discuss a second question on the series of scenario-based interview questions for network engineers. Right. So now the question we have here is you are able to ping a resource. Okay. So basically from A to B, you're able to ping. So let's just take this as some IP 192.160.1.1 and this one is 10.1.1.1 just for example. Right, so if from here to here you're able to ping it. Okay, so ping is successful, but you're not able to do trace route. Once you do try to do trace route, it just stops. Okay, just stops and gives you error. So here, what do you do? So we'll go through all the possible, you know, issues that could happen, which the basically interviewer is looking for. Okay, we'll discuss all of them, and then, we'll also discuss how to resolve it. Okay, so let's start. So, right, now let's see. So consider this as device A, this is B, right? This is on some specific IP address. So now you notice we'll go step by step. Okay. Now we'll see, uh, ICMP ping basically works on ICMP and traceroute works on both ICMP, either ICMP or UDP. Okay, both. So the first thing we'll do is we'll see if it is going out of the network or not. Okay, so we'll go device by device. Okay, so basically this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. All the possible reasons that A could have. So for A, we will say that it is not sending out UDP packets, UDP failure. First reason. Okay, this could be the first. This could be the first reason. Now B, what could be have issues in it which could cause the trace route failure. B B could have any sort of ACL in it which could have been dropping packets. Okay, then ACL it could include application or direct ACL. Application for allowing for this thing, what do you call, ping is allowed, but trace route is disabled. Okay, second reason. Then we say C. C is firewall. Now, what could be this reason on the firewall? On firewall, it could be a lot of reasons, right? Like UDP is blocked, trace route is blocked, ACL issues, ALG issues, right? On ALG specific, if you're blocking some application which is working on UDP, it could basically take in terms of that sometimes, but not really in this case. So we'll not mark ALG, but you have to keep that in mind that sometimes, due to cross networking, it could be one of the issues. Okay. Uh, then you go and clear the cache and then you make sure that the packet is categorized properly. Okay. UDP, traceroute, ACLs. So these are the reasons. Now let's go to D. D, incorrect IP. This is again same thing, incorrect IP. So it's sending IP to the same IP, but there is a duplicate IP address here. So it's going there. It's going from here, but it's going from here, but it's going back to the other device. Right. This is basically a simple network configuration issue. Right. Which is a small segment of black holes. Black hole. A network black hole is in a network is basically when a device silently discards the packet. Okay. Then there could be a lot of things like network congestion. Okay. This could be another reason that there are a lot of network congestions. Then there could be hardware issues. Like if we are saying that A to B, then we are thinking that A and B both are okay, hard physically, right? So there could be hardware issues on the router and the firewall. Okay. Now, these are some of the reasons, right? But now, how to resolve them? Okay, how to resolve them? Another reason, another reason, by the way, guys, is on the firewall. C is firewall. Okay, on C would be security policies. If you are sending ICMP packets at a very high rate, it will be blocked. Right, screen or DDoS protection. Sometimes it could block the packet. Okay, then how to resolve it? So now these are some of the reasons which could cause it. Now we'll talk about resolution. Okay, let me take a different color. Here we'll talk about resolution. Whatever issues we have here, you see that first of all, check the firewall rules, ACLs. This is how you should proceed. Okay, firewall rules, ACLs. Then if we, keeping in mind that physically it is fine. So start with firewall rule, ACLs, right? Then see if any policy or any a security policy like UDP or trace is being blocked. Then also see IP configs. And then later on, at last, you come to Wireshark. But in the meantime, once you do a trace route, you will be able to see if the packet goes here, goes back, and where exactly it is getting blocked. Then on that device, you do a Wireshark or a TCP dump. And then you see Wireshark is a bit more easier tool to analyze the traffic. If you do a TCP dump, you'll be able to see traffic directly where it is getting stopped. If you're getting a reset packet or whatever, right? If it is blocked due to a policy, then usually it's blocked on the firewall. Then you come to the firewall, uh, check the policy tracer. This is again a very good thing. Just check the policy tracer. So once you do that, you will be able to see why exactly is my packet being dropped and which policy is exactly being applied on it. Okay. So these are some of the reasons that the interviewer wants to know that you're aware of this and this is the process of troubleshooting. So here I'll not tell you the issue directly. Okay. I'll tell you how to proceed, what could be the issues. Okay, this is how you should answer an interview. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Thank you.